BBC Newcastle, formerly BBC Radio Newcastle, is the BBC local radio station for Tyne and Wear and surrounding areas, broadcasting from studios known locally as the Pink Palace on Barrack Road in Newcastle upon Tyne. Technical. The Pontyp Pike transmitter broadcasts the strongest signal on 95.4 MHz. This transmitter, one of the first in the country, provides Tyneside and parts of Wearside with national radio frequencies, terrestrial television, BBC National DAB and Digital 1. The 96 MHz frequency from Chatton covers most of the populated areas of East Northumberland, and the transmitter has national radio frequencies and television channels. The other two FM transmitters are much weaker. The Fenham transmitter, for West Newcastle and Gateshead, situated close to the studios on Barrack Road, also broadcasts television, national radio, BBC National DAB, Digital 1. The MXR Northeast 12C multiplex, 100 to 102 Real Radio on 96.2, Metro Radio on 103 and Capital Northeast on 105.6. The Newton transmitter also has television channels. National Radio, 100 to 102 Real Radio on 96.4, Metro Radio on 103.2, and Capital Northeast on 105.8. The DAB signal comes mainly from Burnhope, near Concert, and also Fenham, lower power, on the Bauer Digital. Programming. The majority of the station's programming is produced and broadcast from Newcastle, including the nightly late show shared with BBC Tees. As with all BBC local radio stations, it also airs the networked weekday evening show, originating from BBC Radio Leeds and produced independently by Wire Free Productions. During the station's overnight downtime, BBC Radio Newcastle simulcasts BBC Radio 5 Live. Notable presenters. Current presenters. Local presenters: Marion Foster, Alfie Joey, Jonathan Miles. Networked presenters: Alex Hall. BBC Newcastle sport commentators: Gary Bennett, Marco Gabbiadini, John Anderson. Former presenters: Frank Wapat. Media. Info: BBC Radio Newcastle. History of local radio in Tyneside and Northumberland. Chatton transmitter, Fenham transmitter, Newton transmitter, Pontyp Pike transmitter, including coverage map.